Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you change your MSI monitor input with buttons. So here's a fix for your source toggle, auto scan and lock. Step 1. Press the menu or navi button. Locate the joystick, style button or menu button on the back or bottom of your MSI monitor. Press it once to open the OSD on-screen display menu. Step 2. Go to Input Source. Use the joystick or navigation buttons to select Input Source or Input Select. Step 3. Choose the desired input. Select the input you want to use, whether it's HDMI 1, HDMI 2, or your DisplayPort, or if it supports USB-C as well. Step 4. Confirm the selection. Press the joystick or button inward or the enter button to confirm. Step 5. Exit the menu. The monitor should switch to the selected input automatically. Press the back button or wait for few seconds for the menu to close. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.